Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do an Open V-Stitch pattern. I love this pattern. It's so easy, yet it looks amazing. So to get started, you'll need to know how to do a double crochet. If you need help with that, look down in the description below on how to do that. I have a video for that. So to get started, we will chain multiples of 3 plus 1. So for this video, I'm going to chain 15 plus 1 for a total of 16. And now that we have our 16, we will chain 3. And in the 4th chain from the hook, we're going to do our first double crochet, followed by a chain 1 and a double crochet in the same hole. We will skip 2 and do a double crochet, a chain 1 and a double crochet, and that'll be our repeat through this whole entire project. So skip 2, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, skip 2, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And here we are at the last little bit. So we skip 2 and double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And that is row 1 of our Open V-Stitch pattern. Super easy, right? So to get started, we're going to turn our work and we're going to chain 3. And in that chain 1 space before, that's where we're going to be working. So we'll do a double crochet inside that space, followed by a chain 1 and a double crochet in the same space. And then we will repeat again the same process in the next chain 1 space. Now you want to make sure you're doing it in the chain 1 space and not the connecting bit. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Find your next chain 1 space, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And you will repeat this process until you end up reaching your desired size of your Open V-Stitch pattern. Super easy, yet it looks just so beautiful. Here we are at the end. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Look how awesome that is. Now it will give you a ribbed side, but that's part of the pattern. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and I hope that you have a happy crochet day.